Hello and welcome to Bolosign. Today in this video, we will learn how to fill the fields inside the Bolosign dashboard. First, we will go to the document PDF and create a new PDF. I am selecting the sample PDF. You can select the PDF in which you want the signature, adding the recipients. We will add the subject line and the body. And once everything is done, we will click on confirm. As you can see, our document is uploaded successfully. Now we will add the fields by just dragging them where we want. So, according to this new update, we can edit the field inside the dashboard here. Like we can add our own signature, add the text, or the date. We can edit the field right before sending it to the recipients. Now we will switch the role and add their fields where we want. Once everything is done, we can click on preview. This is how I will receive the document. My fields are already filled since I filled it right there. Then, and this is how the recipient will see the document. They will only able to see the field which is required by them. With this feature, user can sign or fill the assigned fields within the editor, which makes the whole completion process more fast and convenient. Once everything is set, we will click on send via email. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.